Let's make a low-carb dinner. Welcome to Ashton's Crunchy Kitchen. Today we're going to be making P.F. Chang's lettuce wraps. These are the best lettuce wraps, guys, and they're very low carb. So let's get started. Add some oil to your pan and heat it up. I'm using Nature's Promise organic olive oil. While our oil is heating up, Rowan wanted to tell y'all something. He's being shy. Tell him. He's got a ducky! Look, show him. Oh, you don't want to show him? Oh! Show the cute little face. Oh, okay. Bye-bye, ducky. Add your ground chicken to your cast iron skillet. I'm using Perdue ground chicken, no antibiotics ever. Brown it. Get it browned. Cut up 1 whole onion. I'm using Nature's Promise organic onions. Add in the onion that you just cut up, 2 teaspoons of garlic, 1/4 cup hoisin sauce. I'm using Thai Ling's hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons soy sauce. I'm using Sanjay soy sauce, 1 tablespoon rice wine vinegar. I'm using Mizcon rice wine vinegar, maybe that's how you say it. 1 tablespoon of ginger and 1 tablespoon of sriracha. I'm using Cha by Texas Pete. Once you add all that in, just cook until the onions are translucent. While that is cooking, cut up 2 green onions. Y'all let me know in the comments. I'm never really sure what it means by 2 green onions. Does it mean 2 stalks of green onions or 2 bunches of green onions? Because like this many came in a bunch, but I think that's too many. Anyways, let me know in the comments. Once your onions are translucent, add in your water chestnuts and your green onions. Wash a head of lettuce and add your chicken mixture to the lettuce. All right, guys, these are done. I got Andrew here with me and I got Rowan here with me. Let's try these lettuce wraps on camera.
I feel like that's better than you used to make it. What in the world? That's very good.
Oh wow, that is good.
That's good right there. 9.5.
That's our highest rated meal.
You didn't make me the sauce that goes with it, so you missed out on a half a point. I'm a sauce type of guy.
So sometimes I like to put hoisin sauce and soy sauce in a bowl and mix it together and then use it to dunk those in, and that's pretty good too.
It's real good.
But so that's a 9.5 from Andrew. That's great. Awesome. Okay, what are you doing? Stop! Ah! Well, he really liked it, guys.
It's pretty good.
If you like the content you saw today, make sure to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And let me know what you want to see more of. Until next time, Country Road!